Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's continue with the card creation within our visuals. So we can use card as a visual to show different performance indicators. Like now we have gross margin, we have sales amount, we have total product cost. We can use cards to show the indicators of such numerical values within a given period of time or within a given region or a different category. So let's do some to show the example of how to use cards. So I'll click on this one here, card icon. Then let me drag gross margin and drop on the field. And then I will create another card as well for sales amount. Then I'll drag sales amount and drop on the fields. Then I will create another card again. And I will drag total product cost and drop on the field. And then we can always format our cards. So I'll click on the first card and click on format button. Then I'll go to category. I want to change the color of category to be black. And then I can also increase the font size within the category, but I don't need. Then I can also create a border on my card with the px of 17, and then the border color will be red. And maybe you can also use a shadow. And the shadow color, maybe you can use a different color. What if I try to use white? Okay. And then let me try to copy the formatting of the first one and paint on the cards. Then now let's try to use the cards with conjunction with other visuals. So I will try to create a matrix just below the cards. Then within my matrix I want to, or rather I want category to be under rows, and I want region or other country within columns, and then I want sales amount under values. And then now I need to, I want to use a slicer to show the period within which I want to see gross margin, sales amount, and total product cost. So I will click on this slicer icon here, and then I will drag a date and drop on the field. And then I want my date in terms of hierarchy. Okay. And then the date as well, we can also, rather the slicer also we can always format. So if I do multi-select off, okay, that's okay. And then background color is okay, maybe the border as well. maybe with the shadow and with the black color. Okay, and then from here I can choose which year I want to select, or which quarter I want to select, or which month I want to select within a particular given period of the year. So with the cards here, we can always see different gross margin, sales amount, or product cost, depending on what the period that we've selected within the slicer. Like now, if I select 2016, you can see the gross margin has changed, and we only sold bikes, and we had a sales amount of 3 million, and our total product cost was 2 million. If I do the same on 2017, you can see I had gross margin of 3 million, sales amount was 7 million, and total product cost was 4 million. Again, I can also add another slicer just to compare again the same with the target sales. So I will let me try to drag gross margin to my right and sales amount the total product cost to my left, actual sales amount to my next to product cost. Then now I want to put the card for target sales, so I will again click on this card icon, then I will drag it up here, then I'll copy the formatting of this total product cost and print on this new card. Then I will drag target sales and drop under field. And now you can see when I click on 2018, you can see my target sales was 11.4 million, sales amount was 10 million as actual sales, and then the product total cost was 6 million with a gross margin of 4 million. Then when I click on 2019, you can see how it changes, and then I can also give specific quarters or specific months within a given year. So let me try to select quarter 1 within 2016. You can see we never had any sales, and when we went to quarter 2, there was still no sales. When we went to quarter 3, we had sales of bikes, and we did not sell accessories or clothing, and the product cost was 838k, and sales amount was 1 million, and gross margin was £562. Forget about the, we don't need to forget about, but let me try to change the total product cost to pounds so that we can have a uniform currency for target sales, gross margin, sales amount, and total product cost. So let me try to change the currency for total product cost. So I will click on this total product cost field, then I will change the currency here to sterling pound. Then I also want my target sales to be in terms of sterling pounds. So I'll click on target sales and then change the currency to sterling pounds. Yes, now we have a uniform currency. And now if I change to a different quarter again, you can see in quarter 4 we only sold bikes, and you can see the key performance indicators in quarter 4 of 2016. And then now let me try to go to 2017 as well. And then when I choose quarter 1, you can see we only sold bikes. There were no accessories or clothing. And quarter 2, bikes only. Quarter 3, we're still selling bikes. Quarter 4, nothing like accessories or clothing. And let me go to 2018 as well. And 2018 quarter 1, we did not have any clothing or accessories. We only sold bikes. And then quarter 2, still bikes. And then quarter 3 is now when we started to sell accessories and clothing. So ladies and gentlemen, we're just trying to demonstrate how we can use cards within our visuals. And I hope you understood how to use cards in conjunction with other visuals to give key performance indicators. And I hope you understood. So let's meet again on the next video.